Hey there, I'm Robert. I want to tell you all about one of the best deals in 2-ball rolling bags, the KR Hybrid X Double Roller. If you're looking for your first 2-ball rolling bag, this might be the one for you. Here's a bag that you can wheel into bowling that looks good and performs perfectly, all at a great price. It's available in plenty of great looking colors and is built with our 600D fabric for all the durability you will need. This cool bag carries 2 bowling balls and has a large shoe pocket on top and a full-length accessory pocket on the side to hold everything you need for a great day of bowling. It rolls in on 3.5-inch molded wheels and has a retractable square locking handle that extends to 37 inches. It also features a carrying handle with a padded comfort wrap, which is easy on the hand. Staying within a budget has never looked this good. You don't have to spend a lot to roll in looking sharp when you're rolling in with the Hybrid X Double Roller by KR Strikeforce.
Hello there, I'm Nick and I'd like to tell you about the all-new Drive Triple Roller from KR Strikeforce. This premium 3-ball bag is constructed of a combination of 840D and 600D fabric. The Drive has a 5-inch smooth cruise dual wheel system to improve stability. It features large accessory pockets on each side of the bag, along with a shoe pocket and extra accessory pocket on top of the bag. It has a square locking flush handle that extends to 43 inches. It also features end pickup handles to make loading and unloading your gear a breeze. Inside the bag, you will see the Drive Triple has clear retaining straps to hold your equipment in place when transporting. The Drive Triple Roller is available in 2 stylish colors, gray camo and navy. If you are looking for the triple roller bag that checks all the boxes, be sure to take a look at the all-new Drive Triple Roller by KR Strikeforce.
Hello there, I'm Jason, and I want to talk to you today about the new cool Fast Slim Triples by KR Strikeforce. We're bringing great style and color to the 3-ball tote market. These bags feature our 600D fabric and are available in 3 great colors, royal, red, and purple. They're built on our EVA lightweight molded base and weigh in under 5 pounds, which is perfect for air travelers heading out for a tournament. The double pull zipper top allows the bowler to access their equipment from either end of the bag. And if the cool colors weren't enough, we've added our new colored EVA base and skateboard style wide urethane wheels in matching colors. These wheels are wide and smooth, which makes it easy to maneuver through those crowded bowling areas. We also build these with front and rear pickup handles that make it easier to load and unload from your vehicle. A new feature for this bag is the option to add a detachable shoe bag, which is sold separately. When a bowler rolls in with the Fast Slim Triple, the competition moves out of the way. Choose the Fast Slim Triple from KR Strikeforce.
Hey there, I'm Robert with KR Strikeforce. I want to tell you about the top-of-the-line KR Royal Flush Backpack. It has become a very popular trend to carry all your bowling necessities separate from your bowling balls, and backpacks are the way to go for that. The Royal Flush line of products by KR are known as the premium bags for our brand, and this beautiful backpack fits perfectly in that line. It is constructed using 1680 600D fabric, which makes it the most durable you can find. With the adjustable shoulder straps, it can fit comfortably for any bowler of any size. This backpack is designed to hold a pair of bowling shoes and has plenty of extra pockets to handle all of your bowling accessories. With the advent of slim triples to haul around bowling balls only, this has become the way to carry all your other bowling needs. So, why not choose to use the best? Choose the Royal Flush Backpack by KR Strikeforce. Hey there, I'm Robert from KR Strikeforce. Here it is, my favorite backpack of choice, the Fast Backpack. Available in the black-white design, it's constructed using our very best 1680D fabric, which means strength and durability. It has adjustable shoulder straps so it fits any size bowler comfortably. It has plenty of pockets inside and out, including a mesh side pocket. It can fit 1 pair of shoes and all the bowling accessories you may have. Keeps you organized and ready, and really works well for those bowlers who choose our KR Slim Triples to transport all their bowling balls while all their other bowling necessities ride separately. So, when it's time to hit the lanes or just get to work, the Fast Backpack by KR Strikeforce is a logical choice. It gets the job done, whatever your needs may be.